So in this problem, we're looking at arithmetic sequences. And when we look at arithmetic sequences, in this case, we're asked to describe the relationship between the terms in each arithmetic sequence and then define the next three terms in the sequence. So we want to look at what are the common differences between terms. So from 0 to 5, that's 5 minus 0 is 5. From 5 to 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. And from 15 to 10, again, we have a common difference of 5. So in describing the relationship, we can say that 5 is added to each previous term. So the next three terms in the sequence, well, we would look at 15 plus 5, that equals 20, and then 20 plus 5 equals 25, and then 25 plus 5 equals 30. So the next three terms in the sequence, in this arithmetic sequence, are 20, 25, and 30. So part B, let's look at 30 to 42. 42 minus 30, that's 12. Then 54 to 42. 54 minus 42 is 12. And 66 minus 44 is 12. So 12 is added to each previous term. So we would just add 12 to our last term and then keep adding 12 for the next term. So 66 plus 12 equals 78. 78 plus 12 equals 90, and 90 plus 12 equals 102. So the next three terms in this sequence are 78, 90, and 102. So now it gets a little bit trickier because we're looking at decimals, but 2.7 minus 1.4, that's fairly easy to subtract. 7.7 minus 0.4 and 2 minus 1, we end up with 1.3. 4 minus 2.7, we again get 1.3, and then 5.3 minus 4 is going to be 1.3. So 1.3 is added to each previous term. So we would just add 1.3 to our last term and then keep adding 1.3 two more times. So we have 5.3 plus 1.3 equals 6.6. 6.6 plus 1.3 equals 7.9. 7.9 plus 1.3 equals 9.2. So the next three terms would be 6.6, 7.9, and 9.2. And then last but not least, 250 to 500, that's 250. From 500 to 750, that's 250. So we're adding 250 to each previous term. So 250 is added to the previous term. And so we have 750 plus 250 equals 1,000. 1,000 plus 250 equals 1,250. And then 1,250 plus 250 equals 1,500. So our next three terms are 1,000, 1,250, and 1,500. So again, to determine the relationship between the terms in an arithmetic sequence, we look for the common difference among terms, and then to find the next three terms, or how many ever terms we want, we just use that pattern to continue adding to each term to get the next three terms.